in the southeast to come out and protest?
Thank you very much. Let me tell the army chief. They should advise some people to come out and protest. Not the Igbos, not the Biafrans. If you go advise some people to come out for Nigeria, they are Nigeria, they are the owner of the country. They are the owner. Yes. Because what did you say Nigeria? Nigeria, I always say them. Nigeria belongs to them. It belongs to the Northern. It belongs to the Northern and the West. That's where Nigeria belongs to. The West and the North. If they want to protest for their, for their selfish interest, their selfish interest, I will put it in that way. Let them go out and protest. They should not involve the Igbo. They should not involve the Igbo youth or the Biafrans. No. We know them all. We know what they are capable to do. We know their drama. We know what they are heading to. They should not use the Igbos, to defend themselves. No. Let them fight for their own problem. Yes. Let them come out in mass. Protest as they protest against Jonathan. Let them go and protest against Jonathan. They protest against Jonathan. The Northern was ruling under Buhari. When things are bad, things are very rough. Nobody come out and protest. Under Buhari regime, nobody come out and protest. And let me advise them. The tinubu that, the West that have brought Buhari into power. The West. I know the majority, many of them. I can mention them. Let them advise them to come out and protest for their selfish interest, not the goodness of Nigeria. Their selfish interest. They should not involve the Easterners. I have told them. Know what happened in ESAS? ESAS protest. The youth come out in mass to protest. This is not right. Stop this. And finally, at the end of the day, they're turning against the Easterners. They said it's an Easterners protest. That the Easterners want to, stabilize the country. Wow. Is the Easterners at the key power? Is the Easterners at the commander-in-chief of armed forces of Nigeria? They turn this against the Easterners. Now you are the president of the Easterners to come out and protest that nothing will happen. Wow. Who are you playing game with? You are playing game with, the wounded lion. You cannot near there. No, you are not a fool. You are talking to, it's like you are talking to the 5 years child. 5 years kid that you are talking to. That's what they mean. They think that we are a fool. We are not a fool. We know about Nigeria. We know how Nigeria is running their image, how they are running how they are playing their draft. We have understand them well. They should not involve the Easterners. They should know how to, protest their selfish interest, not the Igbos. Because at the end of the day, the Igbos will use their head and carry the bullet. They will turn this against the Easterners. Now the Yoruba is in power. They can never allow this. So they come up. They can never allow church to come up. Once it comes to Igbo, Yoruba will turn us against the Easterners. They will turn against Igbos. Of course, the Igbos are not in power. Igbos are not with God. They are not with termination. What they know, they will say what they know is business. They will come after their business. Destroying their businesses. See what to kill that they will kill. They will kill the Igbos. They will say the Igbos are want to pollute their government. They want to pollute the country. That's Nigeria for you. When you don't carry the Igbos along, what do you think? It's not you are calling Igbos to come and do their protest. That's no problem. Are you fooling me? You can no longer fool me. I cannot reverse any disabled Igbo man. Disabled Igbo woman. to use his sense. Because hence we are here. As Nigeria, I believe Nigeria does not belong to Igbo. Yes. Nigeria does not belong to Easterners. When you see how they run the country, when you see how they, you know, how they run the government, appointments, you will know that they do not take Igbos along. Are you asking Igbo man to come out and protest? Are you in winning class? It's okay, you are winning class. No, Igbos are not a fool any longer. We have a sad person. We have served them enough. We have served them enough. They should not use us, you know, to play the drama. They should know how to manage their country. Because the Easterners want to go along with them, you know, let them refuse. Because they don't want Igbos to know what they know. Let them know. They don't want the Easterners to know. Now they want to use us to collect bullet. No. If they want the country to better for them, let them know what to do. They should not protest for themselves. They should not use Igbo as a conductor or as a bullet. No, Igbo man can never do it. The only Igbos that I will tell them we can join them is the Fulani Igbos. We will know them. The Fulani Igbos will follow them and join the protest. Not the real Igbos. No, not the real Igbos. The typical Igbo man can never join anything concerned program protest. As long as that's concerned, no. I refuse. I can never be part of this, of that mess. No. How can you use me? You can use me. I play your game. And you get what you want. End of the day, you push me away. I'm not a fool any longer. I'm not adversing any Igbo man. You should withdraw. You should know, this Igbo man should use the brain. So
you don't believe what the army is saying, that they should come out and protest? You don't believe them?
Sir?
You don't believe the Nigerian military advising the...
I don't believe them. They're very thinkish. They're game planner. They're game planner. Is it Igbo man that you don't like? You don't want Igbo man to belong to your conquest, to belong to your government. The Easterners, you don't want them to belong to your government. You don't want them to rule. Then you want Igbos. Now you want Igbo to come and protest. Now you protect them. Who are you fooling? Are you fooling me? You cannot fool me any longer. You cannot fool me. You can free your people, not me, not Igbo. Not Igbo. I don't believe on them. Because end of the day, they will turn it against the listeners. They will turn it against Igbos. After the 2023 election, you know what happened? One party or another. One in Lagos State, they turned it against the Igbos. They turned it against the Igbos. They say Igbos want to pollute their land. In that time, against the Igbos. What happened? Why are you suffering the Igbos like this? Why are you looking at the Igbos as a fowl? That anytime you like, you grab him and slaughter. Why? One Nigeria. What do you see one Nigeria? I have told them, I don't see one Nigeria. Nigeria is about forced marriage. And hence the marriage cannot work. And then of course you can see, like the marriage is not working. The marriage is not working. They should leave people man alone. If they know what to do, let them do. Let them protest with themselves. After all, when the Tinubu government, when Buhari government was going on, when Nigeria crying, the West are not, they don't come out to protest as the protest against Jonathan. The West did not come out. As the protest against Jonathan in Ojota, they did not come out. The West did not come out. They are the ones that brought the Buhari. Buhari come as a shame. Now he turned them to shame. Nobody complains. They did not come out to protest. Now he come to their own turn, their own brother. You ask Igbo man to come out because you want to finish Igbo man. God forbid. That their plan can never work. When they bounce back to them, their evil plan against the Easterners will bounce back to them. But the place. When you are progressing, they are heavy. The school first. They don't want your progress. The Westerners don't want. They want people progress.
They don't want their progress.
They don't want their progress. What they progress is their friends will turn to. To another thing. Why? When I move for house now, they will say they don't want Igbo. That's the Yoruba for you. They don't want Igbo. Why want Nigeria? The Yorubas in the east. They are in the east. Nobody harm them. Nobody will harm Yorubas. Nobody harm Hausas. Accept what is going on now. Because we don't want all this terror in our land. Accept that. Yoruba will say we don't want Igbo. Is that what Nigeria? If you don't want Igbo, who do you want? Can you live alone? Can you live alone? You can only sleep in one room. Only one room. You say you don't want Igbo. That's Yoruba for you. I'm going to go jati. Oh, come on there. And then the second, I don't want it. That's Yoruba for you. So what are we talking? They should take care of their country. They are not with the country. Both of them are both of them, the West and the North. They are the one that hold yam and nice. They only give because look to Easterners. So you want the Easterners to come and we can connect the bullet. No. We are more than that. Let them use their hand, their leg, their head, and carry their load. Carry their load. So the advice are giving my Igbo people. They should know that time is the number. Time is the number. You understand? Nigeria is not working for Igbos. Nigeria is not here for Igbos. You should not put your hand, for what you know that you cannot finish. Don't join them. First what you come from. First what you are doing. Reason well, think well. Remember if you have small, return. How long you have some little return for where you come from. Don't invest your life in this land. But they hate you. Anytime, any day, they will come after you. That's the Yoruba for you. In the north, it's the same thing. Nigeria does not love you. That's why they don't want you to work with them. Be careful. May God bless the Igbos. May God bless, the reasonable Nigerians. That's the advice I will give them. Thank you very much.
If Igbo man will come outside that day, if he die, even ancestors no go happy. His own ancestor no go happy for that person. Listen, all Igbos, whether Lagos, Europe, any part of Yoruba land, any part of North. That day of your protest, if you get money to chop chicken, go and eat your chicken.
So just dey your house, they flex
dey your house.
So they should not come
outside. No just try to come outside. If you go to street, interview some people wey we say no be Europe, no be Igbos. Wey be dey sincere, they go tell you say Igbo man no come outside that day because Nigeria will still put that blame for Igbo man head. What happened in EndSARS? Is it Igbo man start EndSARS? You know Igbo man, but after everything, they put it in Igbo man head. They say Igbo man that start EndSARS. Are you getting me? When Sunday Igbo started in Rome, what happened after everything? They said nnamdikanu help pop. Now then do terrorists. They call them terrorists. Now federal government want to come outside and say to them, they'll guide Igbo people for protest. When the military see our prime minister Samanepa as enemy, then they find by all means to bring Samanepa for Nigeria here. Then they find by all means to kill nnamdikanu. Now they say may we come outside to protest. Now they have opportunity to wipe people out. When you meet your enemy tells you to come outside, he will protect you. If except this only a useless human being can come outside, say my enemy already changed. As Nigeria is, when Nigeria say Boko Haram, no Muhammadu Buhari say these people repented Boko Haram, made them enter into military. It's only useless people who can come outside like that. Igbo man, Igbo women, son of Igbos, none of them will come outside. I myself, me and my family will go outside dey eat. Except if I come outside here, I want to see my people. That protest there.
You are not coming out on that day.
Come and do what? Come and do protest. Anytime I get business I want to do, I come and do my business and go.
But what of in the east? Do you think the Biafrans in the east will turn up in mass for protest, or they better mind their own business and do what they want to do?
What happened in the NSAS? Did Igbo people come out well in the NSAS? Eh? Talk less of now. Talk less of now. They know that their brother is P2B, is the person that win the election. They deny that president for the P2B hand. They will tell me that they go come outside and do. Lie. Igbo man cannot come outside. But as you see, many of them now, people that have money doing what? They are buying food stock and keep for their house. They are not there interested for their protest or no protest. If you like, something costs from now to 100 years. Igbo man have that grace to provide for their family. God give Igbo people that grace. Call protest, we are not coming outside. Hausa and Yoruba can come outside and do protest. Tinubu is their brother. Hausa is the Shetima is a Hausa brother. You see, did you see Igbo man there? You don't see Igbo man. Even though the one who won't come out as Igbo man will be saying Senate president from Akwa Ibom. Abi? We not support him because we know that one is illegal. That one is illegal. We can't support them. Make them go where they bath, go there and carry their towel and clean their body and wear their clothes. Now they use their hand, carry the charcoal or fire, put for their hand. The fire go they burn it till they go throw away that fire. If they never throw away that fire, the fire cannot quench. Men Nigeria, Hausa and Yoruba know what they go do. Make them forget Igbo man. Igbo man cannot come outside for protest.